In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Gemini AI photo watermark. Removing watermarks can be a crucial step in customizing or maintaining the visual quality of your images when they come with additional branding elements. So let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to make sure you have access to a trusted web browser. Open your preferred browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, go ahead and type in Google Gemini and hit Enter. This search will help you navigate to the correct page where you can begin working with your image. Once your search results come up, click on the website for Google Gemini. This platform is vital as it enables you to create personalized image prompts. When you're on the Google Gemini platform, craft a prompt that really speaks to what you want to create. As a creative suggestion, consider something like a cinematic fusion of realism and nostalgia where a young man interacts with 3D Tom and Jerry in a warmly lit, dust-filled hallway, blending humor with dramatic tension. This particular combination can blend creativity and originality, making your image unique. After creating your prompt, the next step is to submit it. Look for the Submit button on the page and give it a click. This will set the image generation process in motion. Once the image is ready, you'll need to copy it. This action ensures you have the artwork readily available for the next phase of removing that pesky watermark. Now, it's time to take that copied image over to Canva. If you haven't used Canva before, it's a great tool for graphic design, and in this case, for fine-tuning your images. Open Canva and paste the image you copied earlier. Once your image is in Canva, you'll want to look for the eraser tool. This tool is instrumental as it enables you to delicately remove any unwanted elements from your image, including the watermark in question. With the eraser tool selected, carefully go over the areas where the watermark is present. This part demands precision, so take your time to make sure everything you intend to remove is cleaned out, while keeping the integrity of the rest of the image intact. Finally, after erasing the watermark, you just need to wait for a short moment as Canva processes your changes. And there you go. The watermark should be successfully removed from your image. You can now save and use your image as you intended without the branding interference. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this walkthrough has empowered you to remove watermarks like a pro. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.